Hello students, welcome to the lecture. Today we will discuss about steganography. This is the last topic of this unit, unit number 2, system security. The word steganography is derived from two Greek words, stegos meaning to cover and graphia meaning writing. Thus, translating to covered writing or hidden writing. Steganography means covered writing or hidden writing. The art and science of hiding information by embedding messages within other seemingly harmless messages. Steganography works by replacing bits of useless or unused data in regular computer files such as graphics, sound, text, HTML or even floppy disk with bits of different invisible information. This hidden information can be plain text, ciphertext or even images. Steganography sometimes used when encryption is not permitted. An encrypted file may still hide information using steganography. So, even if the encrypted file is deciphered, the hidden messages is not seen. Let us see types of steganography. There are 4 types of steganography. First one is image steganography. Image steganography refers to the process of hiding data within an image file. The image selected for this purpose is called the cover image and the image obtained after steganography is called stego image. The colors are generated from 3 primary colors as red, green and blue. Various approaches have been designed for image steganography, which are LSB, least significant bit, DCT, which is discrete cosine transform, and last one is append algorithm. First one is LSB, least significant bit. It is the easy and most common approach of hiding data inside the image. It embeds data in the photo by replacing the least significant bit in a BMP type picture. You can think of the LSB as the ones place because it has the smallest effect on the amount of a color. Replacing this bit with a bit from the hidden data will have the smallest effect on the picture possible. However, the more bits are replaced, the more obvious the alternation will appear to both a statistical inspection and a visual inspection. Second is DCT, discrete cosine transform. This works on many type of photo types. It works by calculating the frequencies of the image and then replacing some of them. The DCT based on image transformation involves the mathematical function for hiding data inside the image. And last one is append algorithms. Append algorithm appends the data to the end of the files as padding rather than hide the data in a photo by manipulating the picture. In this manner, the data is hidden and never read by any photo displaying program. Second type of steganography is textual steganography. The text steganography can be achieved by altering the text formatting or by altering the certain characteristics of textual elements such as characters. Third one is audio steganography. In this, secret message is embedded into digitized audio, which will result slight altering of binary sequence of corresponding audio file. And last one is video steganography. The separation of video into audio and images or frames results in a efficient method of data hiding. The use of video files as a carrier medium for steganography is more eligible as compared to other technique. The second unit is finished. Hope you all have enjoyed this series. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.